We were excited to find out that we were the winning chapter for MUP program.
We were excited and proud because of all the hard work that we put into it, all the time and effort, and then it's great to feel that, we were being recognized for all that work that we've done. In 2018, our chapter was in a lot of turmoil. When we took over as an e-board, we knew that we had to unify the members, build trust, and educate the members starting from scratch. So what we ended up doing is we knew about the MUP program for the past couple of years, and we decided to ask the field office, hey, can we go ahead and be recommended to do this program? We went back and forth and we landed on the theme, be loud, be proud, be union. Our goals were to implement and train a site rep program, and then we wanted to expand communication to our members.
Our plan was to build a connection with our members, so some of the things that we discussed was to create surveys for members so we can get a feel of what they wanted or what they were looking for. We did monthly chapter meetings, we did monthly newsletters. We also created a Facebook page so our members can access more information. We also did site visits, Know Your Rights, to help educate the members. Some members actually went to the union steward training, so we were able to help recruit some union stewards. The biggest thing was the communication. After we were able to gain the trust of the members with the surveys, trying to figure out what their expectations were, what they were looking for us as a union to do and help with, it kind of made it easy. So we were able to accomplish all those goals by, gaining trust. That communication was back in effect with the members.
Our CSEA website got hacked, so we couldn't reach our members. One of the things that we did with that challenge was to create a Google class for our members to join, and that's the way we were able to offer all the information that our chapter website had, like the seniority list, our contract, our constitution, and just contact numbers where members felt free to call us, email us, text us, or whatnot. That's how we overcame those challenges.
There used to be times when we only would get 5 people and our quorum was supposed to be 10, so we weren't able to have meetings. But as soon as we started implementing these plans, we had more member participation in our meetings, and it benefited our chapter overall. We're getting a lot of positive feedback from our members, more than we ever have prior. Even with the surveys, we're getting more responses. So we do notice the difference after the MUP program, and we're just really ecstatic with the difference from when we started to where we are now.
I've gotten emails from members that I know would have never emailed to ask a question. I'm starting to pull in members that never came to a chapter meeting at all. So for me to be able to communicate with members more on that level and to relay it back to my team is awesome, because we've never had that many members actually coming to a chapter meeting or even getting involved with the chapter.
I think being on the Zoom platform and being exposed throughout the MUP program kind of helped some of our members, even e-board members, participate in some of the programs. And one of our goals was for me as Chief Union Steward to have a functioning steward program. And through that, we had a few members actually make it through all 3 levels of Union Steward training, and Miss Joyce is one of them. I would encourage any chapter to sign up and participate in MUP. It really allowed us as leaderships to kind of come together and work with other chapter leaders across the SCA and kind of know that we're not the only ones that are maybe a little fractured and disorganized. For us, it allowed us to kind of expose ourselves to some tools and resources to then come back to our chapter and work together to kind of unify us more. So I would definitely say if there's any chapters out there or chapter leaderships that are, wanting to unify their chapter and ignite their chapter, definitely participate in MUP. It's a fun experience in addition to it's very informative.